Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is Wednesday, February the 13th, and this is a quick hit on the precious metals. Looking at silver, gold, and GDX, like always. Alright, so last night we were saying that we had the potential for a bump up of some sort. That did not occur, which is really, really nice. The Bears should be extremely pleased with today's action. We got back inside of the top of the descending channel, the upper trend line. We are knocking once again on the 200-day moving average, but now we have the lower Bollinger Band moving down, giving us some room, and it is great. If we can get a break of the 200-day tomorrow, fantastic. And the damage will be done. And that's really all there is to it. Everything, for the most part, except for the RSI, is moving down. We have perfect confluence. We can see that little move up yesterday on the fast stochastic, which was representing our possibility for a little bit of a bump up, and right back down. It's wonderful. Might as well look at the 60-minute just to be fair and balanced. And here we are. Everything is pretty much holding low. It's a little bit questionable with essentially a flat line low or neutral negative. So we just have to see some follow through. Maybe we could get a little bit of a secondary reset here in the 60-minute time frame. But as soon as this previous low is taken out, I think it's really going to fall. So just kind of a race. And I might as well look at the internal structure of volume. Did not do that last night. And here we are. Be better if I go to the daily. I'll do both. So here in the 60-minute we have one red in danger of a second red. One red, two red, two red, in danger of a third, about to lose or starting to lose this one, and this one is still green, so really three greens, two reds, in danger of a third red, and that would be the big two, accumulation distribution. It's at a high, it's at a high, and when this sucker crosses, very bad. The other big daddy, unbalanced volume, still very plainly red. So overall, yep, busting out this previous floor should not be a big deal. We're going to look at the daily as well, just to be thorough. And we've been saying that we've been looking for some crosses. Look how close they are. We have volume weighted MACD already red. We've been looking for the accumulation distribution and the unbalanced volume to go red. Look how close these suckers are. And, once those go, this thing is finished. The volume price trend, very close. The dual volume flow, very close. Overall, massively bearish. We just need a little push, and it's all over. It's all over. Love it. Love it. Going on to gold. Here we are with gold. Gold did not have a great day, just like silver. We busted out a new recent low, and we're getting really close to the current floor. Does it look like we're going to bust out the current floor? Yeah, we have a bottoming area setting up in the heat map, but just like silver, we bust the floor. This thing's going down. We have the CCI and the RSI trying to go up. Everything else is down. It is definitely more bearish than bullish, and that's all there is to it. And GDX miners to round out the video. What do we have? Came really close. We had a new recent low yesterday that should always be retested. At least most of the time it should be retested. Today it definitely is trying to do it, closing almost at the lows of the day. Not quite, but very strong, very bearish. Not a great bottoming area in the heat map. We have the RSI going up. Everything else is down, looking for a fresh bearish cross on the MACD. This one's ugly too. So reinforces gold, reinforces silver, and it all looks ugly, which I absolutely love. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video are for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you.